Today, I'm gonna get ready with you because for no apparent reason. So, stop rambling. Let's get into it. Well, I haven't subscribed yet. I look like crazy. Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a very easy get ready with me. We're gonna do the full look. I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. I'm going to do some simple daytime appropriate makeup look. Apologies in advance for no background. I got to get my life together. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. If you have not subscribed yet, just take a quick moment to subscribe down below. And if you like the video, please don't forget, give the video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, first let's do something to this hair. I washed it last night and I usually just let my hair air dry. After I wash it, I just add my leave-in conditioner from Not Your Mother's and I just voila, let it air dry. So this is my first time brushing it and it's like, you know, like 1 o'clock in the afternoon now. I am gonna be curling my hair today. This was sent to me by Duvolle. It's just like a curling iron like this. We're gonna be using this, we're gonna test it out, we're gonna see how it works. Let's get into it. First thing I like to do before I put any sort of heat appliances to my hair, I love to just make sure to protect it, you know, spritz a little protection of some sort. This is the waterless heat protect and restyle spray. It's alcohol free, paraben free, and sulfate free. I want to make sure whatever I'm using on my hair is free from all that stuff. Protects hair up to 450 degrees when styling. I usually just spritz in the end. Comes in a nice, I love that it's pink. Cute little hair curler. This is a 25 millimeter, so it says professional tourmaline barrel infrared heat technology ergonomic comfort grip. Looks cute and pink. Let's see what's up with this. It's very, very lightweight. It's a swivel cord, so it's easy to like swivel. I just press it on and then we're just going to wait. So I do the bottom part first and then the top part later. Alrighty, let's put on the glove. What I like to do, I grab like a 1.5 inch section like this, grab my wand, put it behind my hair, and wrap my hair counterclockwise, right around the wand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I like to do is just keep it held there with the heat so it could really just retain that curl. And voila, that is a really tight curl. Very effective. Alright, as a last step, this hair is a little crazy. It's just because my hair is just so thick and voluptuous. Voluminous. This is the only hairspray I have right now in the moment, so it's Tresemme, it's my husband's hairspray. So, and I just like to spray it and just kind of run my fingers through. This is for it to hold as much as possible. I really, really love how quickly it got my curls intact. I loved how bouncy it made my curls, and I really liked how lightweight it was. It did a really nice job. It's quick, it's efficient. And like I said, I'm gonna leave down my code below so you guys could check it out if you're interested. Let's go ahead and do my makeup. I'm gonna just be showing you the products that I use for a very simple everyday makeup look, especially now in the summertime. So it's gonna be a little summertime vibe kind of makeup. This is what I use every single day. The Skin MD Natural Shielding Lotion. I've been using this for 10 or more years. This is my everyday moisturizer and I cannot live without this moisturizer. This lotion is non-greasy, protects your face away from any environmental damage, all that kind of stuff. I don't leave my house without putting this on. I ran out of it, so this is why I'm doing this weirdness. This is like all that I have left. I gotta order it again. I ordered this on Amazon, by the way. I think it's like $20, but it'll last a long time. I'm gonna be using an oldie goodie and a very classic fave of mine, the Wet n Wild Primer Base Serum. As you can see, I'm almost running out of this. I've used it for a couple of years now, probably 1 or 2 years. I'm just gonna apply this. And you can honestly use this on its own. It mattifies really nicely and it just creates such a nice base for your makeup. For foundation, I'm gonna use an oldie. I really love this because it has a really nice light dewiness to it. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It's the dewy version. So I love how this smells and I love how this looks on the skin. It's like a medium coverage. You could definitely build it up to full. I really love this foundation. It gives you like a perfect, beautiful, nice, glowy look. It's not heavy, which is what I love about it. This is the good old Morphe M439. This foundation is stunning. Why haven't I used this in so long? It's so nice. A little glow to the skin, but not too much. Skin just feels hydrated. It doesn't feel, you know, dry patches or any patchy. See how nice this like makes your skin look right now? You can build it up to the coverage that you want, and it does not look cakey at all in any way. And I'm not just saying it, just telling you right now, this foundation is such a beautiful foundation. One of my top favorite foundations in the drugstore. I can't get over how flawless my skin looks right now. My favorite concealer at the moment is the Kylie Skin Concealer. I talked about this in my favorite videos. I really, really enjoy this concealer so much because it is a beautiful finish. Gotta conceal my life away. I would say a medium buildable coverage concealer. This one is really, really nice and gentle under your under eyes, which is what's most important for me as I age. It does not crease. It's like I look awake already. I'm gonna set that with the Flower Beauty Better Not Bitter Bakery Powder. This is a really nice brightening powder. It just set this miraculously on my eyes right now. Holy smokes, it's so nice. It doesn't look like I have any lines under my under eyes. I'm friggin' impressed. I'm gonna do my usual brow moment. Been using this for so many years. I gotta like get with the program of the feather brows. I'm still in 2016 makeup. All these little Gen Zs nowadays just making fun of the 2016 makeup. I'm still there. Like, I don't think I'm gonna go away from that. When I was 15 to 19 years old, I over plucked my brows because that was the style back in the day, and my brows never grew back. So that's why it's kind of hard for me to do that feather brows. I actually have not plucked my brows in over a year and a half now because I'm purposely trying to see if they grow. I haven't waxed them. I haven't done anything to my brows. And I'm going to go in with this like beautiful mauve color right here. And I'm just going to add that to my crease area. This is going to be the most simple makeup look ever. Blush, I love this one for the summertime, honestly anytime throughout the year. This is a beautiful cream blush from Rare Beauty. This one's in the color Bliss. Actually kind of melts into powder in a way. I like to do 3 dots. I like to blend that out with my favorite brush for cream, which is the BH Cosmetics brush number 1. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's nice. Comes off a little intense at first, but you can blend it out, and it's like the prettiest blush for the springtime. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't mind going a little overboard with the blush because I'm not going to be doing a winged eye. I'm not going to be doing any of that. I love my daytime looks to just look very, very fresh. I'm going to bronze up the skin a tiny bit. I'm going to use this one, Revlon Skin Lights Bronzer. I'm just going to just apply a little bit of that on here. For the summertime, just gives you like that nice bronzy glow. Bronze up that forehead. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Mesmerize highlight from Rare Beauty. I love, love, love this so much. I go in with 2 dots of that. Go in with my fingers. It looks like glass. I love it. I always like to put a little on my nose, a little on my Cupid's bow. 1, 2. Oh, go in my fingers. I love to take a brush like this, like a BH Cosmetics brush, and I like to just use that to like blend it out. I like dab it. Could just be like a nice finish. It's like the most perfect little glow. Just so pretty. I love the color too. It's like a slight pinky color. We'll go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is one of my favorite powders for setting the entire face. I just love, love, love this powder. It's really nice. I'm gonna use a big old brush like this. This thing is huge. And I just like to dust it down here in my middle of my nose, and also dust a little bit of that in my forehead area. I don't like to touch my cheek area. I just like to touch these areas down here because my cheek area is just like nice and glowy, so I don't want to mess that up. To set my face, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe setting spray. This is like a holiday edition vibe. It smells like a holiday party, like a New Year's Eve holiday party. Love it. So I'm just gonna go with that. Oh, I love the mister. Oh, it smells so good. I always like to grab my beauty sponge and just kind of press on those areas just so everything is nice and blended in. My favorite mascara at the moment, the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I love how this makes my lashes look. I love the wand, how nice it is, and how it separates your lashes so nicely. but it still lengthens them, but it just keeps them very natural. It just makes your lashes look so pretty and so natural. I love it. I don't know, I'm obsessed with this mascara. Go in with my bottoms. And for lips, I like to have a little tiny gloss, but I don't want it to be sticky. So this is my favorite gloss to wear anywhere. It just feels so nice and hydrated, but it's not a sticky formula at all. This is the Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral Gloss. And I'm gonna pair it with this lip liner from Kylie Cosmetics in the color Bear. Okay, right here. Gives your lips like such a nice shine without being glossy and sticky, which is what I love. This is like the perfect daytime look ever. Lastly, I'm gonna spray some perfume on. So excited to tell you guys about this perfume. Oh my God, it smells so good. This brand is called Dossier. They sent me 2 perfumes of my choice to try out. This brand recreates the expensive high-end perfumes, the kinds that you're spending more than $100, like Coco Chanel, Tom Ford. They basically recreate those perfumes in their own formula at less than half the price. And honestly, it smells identical or even better. They sent me 2 perfumes. One was a recreation of Coco Chanel, and the other one, I'm gonna link it down below. It's not a watered down formula. It's not something that you spray on and then you can't smell it because it's like the wannabe version of it. It really smells identical like to the perfume. I don't know if it's the oils that they use, but it just stays on your skin all day long and you just smell it everywhere you go. So if you don't want to spend $100 and something on one of your favorite perfumes, this is a great option. So this one is called Amber Saffron. It has notes of saffron, orange blossoms, jasmine, plum, cedar wood. Oh my God. It smells like a TV show, Vampire Diaries. It smells like something one of those characters would wear. It smells like very dark and sexy and just woody. At first I was like, oh, that's not my vibe. I'm more of a rosy person, more citrusy. And my husband, every time I'm at work, working from home in my little station, he'll grab it and he'll spray me like randomly. I'm like, why are you spraying me? He's just like, I love how it smells. It just smells like everywhere you go around the house, I smell you everywhere. The price for the perfume for this one was $50 compared to the original version of this kind of perfume. It was $150. And I love the packaging. It doesn't look cheap. It looks like a regular perfume. The cap is like a magnet, so it clips down. And then this one. Oh, this one here is called Oriental Oak Moss. They're the perfume Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. It's like 100 and something, 120, 150 or something like that. This perfume smells just like that one. It smells even better. Something about this that really sticks on your skin. It just smells identical to the perfume. So delicious. All right guys, that completes my get ready with me with some of the most favorite things that I use. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go out, head out for the day. I have a lot of errands to run. If you liked the video, don't forget, please give the video a thumbs up. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.